I plan on trying a number of different strategies on this, but right here, just with this one step, what happens if we start, oh, I'm not in Photoshop. How does that happen? The netherworld. Hold down Shift and click the up and down arrows to change the blend modes. And we get, right away, we get something that, good, bad, indifferent, I don't know. So just one thing you could do. Here's another thing. Now we're back to normal, so I'm not messing with that. You could create an adjustment layer. I mean, you could go black and white, and we'll just, well, say that, and then use the clipping mask, right? I'm going to option click. I showed you a bunch of different ways, and we got black and white and color. Now, I don't particularly like that. I'm going to throw that away just to show you that a couple things you could do right there, and so much more. When you make a selection, I'll just do one more thing here. So I'm going to command click to select those pixels, and then what happens if we do something like filter? Oh, I don't know. What do we want to do? Stylize, find edges. We're going to find edges on those. Let's hide that selection with Command H so we can see what we got going on there. Now, Command Z. And if I was going to do that, I of course would be smart enough to convert this to a smart object first, so that then if I did my filter, and right here the last filter you used is sitting right at the top of the list, then we have our find edges, and we have it so that we could turn it off and do something different as well. And since we've done that already, what happens now if we cycle through the blend modes with find edges? And do we get some interesting effects? Well, that is going to depend on what you do as you work through this, the combination of different things you could try. So I'm going to go ahead, stop this video, play around, see what I can find while the video renders, and then we'll move on to the next step.